Oh well, they don't know.
We're gonna type the reactions. Ready?
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah!
Hey, picture.
Wow.
Yeah.
Hey, look. Let's pass by Victoria's Secret. Woo! Sexy.
Victoria, remember Cherry? What's her
I've been to a secret Victoria.
Oh, to the legs inside the while riding. Riding. We are on beach.
Hey, reaction to those people that are walking by. Woo! Woo! This is awesome! Woo!
Tree.
Oh, Christmas tree. Living life to the fullest. Living life. This is living large. Woo! Now this is what I call living.
Yeah.
Woo! Woo!
Hurry up, hurry up.
Moving along.
Just kidding.
Let's see if we can pass by those girls again.
What the heck?
We passed by the girls again. Like, we see you again. Bye.
Sick. This is so weird.
I know. Let's pass by
That's really
Santa.
fun. I love it.
Oh my gosh, look at her face.
Oh my god, is she have braces?
No.
Oh. It looked like it.
I'm far away. Big teddy bear.
Oh,
Woo! Hey, it's not fat. It's cuddly. Okay.
kind of weird.
Oh my god. Oh, I thought you were taking it out. Like pushing it up, you know, like sexy. I'm bringing sexy back. Yep. What? It's a bee!
Dude, that was huge.
It was like a giant bee! I didn't see it. Yeah! Yeah! Woo!
I'm scared.
I'm scared. It's okay. It's not like we'll ever see these people again. The car behind us is like taking really slow. Those beautiful.
So honky.
My health stopped. I should have got that.
Oh, look, the little doggies. That's cute.
Cute.
I'm cute, Talaga. Hey, I know that dude. He's a guy.
Hey, I know that guy. Hey, I know you. I know you. I know you. Who is he? I don't know.
Like, I know him, but I know him.
He goes to our school, doesn't he?
I thought so. I don't know.
Hey, you. Hey, you. You go to our school. I'm talking to a mannequin.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. La 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 la.
La 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 la. Hey, la 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 la. I can't get you out of my mind. Every you feeling right. Remember that way you caught my eye. I remember that way you caught my eye. My dad has that car in white. We're gonna be chained up again. Looks like our womanhood is over.
Is that horse thingy still here?
It's free. Oh, the horse thing. Like the what? Oh, the care tribes.
Like,
How was it you made lollipop?
oh my
Go
god.
to the photo strip next.
Yeah.
I want to go like so bad. I've never been in. Remember the one at the museum? And then you could see the TV, and then it replaced everything that we're doing, like, and like the chaperones, and then all in slow motion. And then like we did like they did like a lot of bad stuff in there, and there's a TV that's that's doing a side, and there's like a then they would show it back and back. And nobody was taking pictures, so I kept replaying Tyler's middle finger. That was funny. And then this is Diego with all the pictures. Hi, man.
Hey, we should take some for like each of our